Working on the any and all lesson, we've got 3 challenges. All of them are either short answer or multiple choice, so we're going to take care of all of them in one video. The first challenge says, what makes a truthy value? We're given 4 options. 1, a non-zero number. 2, a non-empty string. 3, a Boolean value of true. Or 4, all of the above. And it turns out that actually all of these are truthy, right? A zero number is falsy, but any other non-zero number is truthy. An empty string is falsy, but any non-empty string is truthy. A Boolean of false is falsy, but a Boolean of true is truthy. So I can conclude that all of the above are actually truthy. For the second challenge, go ahead and reset my inputs here. For the second challenge, given the following code, what would print to the console? And we have a list of strings, looks like A, B, C, and an empty string, and it's saying printing any of that string list, right? Saying, are any of these values truthy, right? Here we have 3 non-empty strings, so there are 3 of them which are truthy, so we can actually go ahead and see that this is correct, right? On the next one, we have the same list, right? Only this time the question is asked with the all function, print all. Are all of the strings in this list truthy? And we have 1 empty string in our list, so 1 of our strings is falsy. So not all of them are truthy. So here we have to know that false is actually our solution. Go ahead and check that answer, and we can see that is the correct solution. So that's it for the any and all lesson. Next up, we've got the pop method, and then we're getting towards the end of our list of functions and methods here in Python Basic Prep.